Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go zoom it.
Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. खुश होना चाहिए कि it's chill मारो डे या फिर दुखी कि it's get back to work time. Mixed feeling, right? Well, अभी के लिए let's just forget all that and enjoy करते हैं some requested music जो आप लोग ने request किया है only on your favorite show Zoom It with your one and only awesome social jockey Nikita. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं कितनी full of myself हूँ. Well, I'm at least not as self-obsessed as John Abraham. Which reminds me, आप लोगों ने I, Me और मैं देखी? Well, मेरे रिव्यूज तो उस मूवी के लिए अच्छे ही हैं, लेकिन आप लोग मुझे अपने रिव्यूज जरूर बताइए और माय ट्विटर हैंडल @gozoomit. For now, let's take our first request for the evening, जो है मेरा कूल मिटाशी प्ले बताएगा. It is Cappuccino जो रिक्वेस्ट किया है अकूला भवाना ने अनीशा के लिए, और उनका मैसेज इज You're a true friend that I want you to know. Our love for each other has helped us to grow. We have been through some tough times, but we've made it through. The only one I ever trusted was you. आहा, चक्कर क्या है? I hope you both are just BFFs, हाँ? वैसे इस गाने से याद आया, गाने का नाम है Cappuccino. तो why not, while listening to this song, एक कप कैपेचिनो का हो जाए? After all, we have to do justice to this song, right? So guys, here is my cup of cappuccino. वैसे आप लोग को ये सॉन्ग कैसा लगा? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जॉन इब्राहिम को थोड़े एक्सप्रेशन ज़्यादा देने चाहिए. But then he has his hot looks to cover up for them. Well, for now, let me show you कि what he tweets. He's recently tweeted saying, "My morning coffee at Suzette Manya Soor. Shootout at Wadala served hot." The much awaited shootout at Wadala. देखेंगे when it releases. For now, let's see our next request, जो है GRA requested by Shahjahan to Fatima, and उनका message is, "Friendship is like a violin. The music may stop now, but the strings will last forever. Dedicated for my sweet friend Fatima." अरे वाह, एक के बाद एक friendship messages. Good. Looks like आजकल सभी दोस्त बनाने में लगे हुए हैं. वैसे अच्छी बात है. You should always have someone or the other to talk to. अगर आपके पास कोई नहीं है तो डोंट बी सैड, मैं हूं ना, और साथ ही मेरा ट्विटर हैंडल भी तो है ना @gozoomit. अभी के लिए एंजॉय द सॉन्ग. गाइस, इज इट पॉसिबल कि मैं 2 दिन आपसे मिलूं एंड दैट टाइम आल्सो आई डोंट गिव यू अ सरप्राइज? नो राइट? तो थोड़ा वेट करिए क्योंकि इन सम टाइम योर सरप्राइज इज गोना बी हियर. टिल देन लेट्स टेक वन शॉर्ट ब्रेक. आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए. कीप टॉकिंग टू मी ऑन माय ट्विटर हैंडल @gozoomit. वेलकम बैक गाइस, दिस इज योर सोशल जॉकी निकिता और आप देख रहे हैं Zoom It. वक्त हो गया है हमारी अगली रिक्वेस्ट पर जाने का. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज आवर नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट. इट इज वेले जो डेडिकेट किया है अलीसिया ने टू अरुणिमा, एंड उनका मैसेज इज, I like you since the day we have bonded. It has been 6 months with you. Love the way you make up with me. Fab friendship. आज तो कोई प्रॉब्लम लगती है. This is the 3rd consecutive request by a girl to another girl. Guys, are you all sleeping? आप लोग सोते रहिए. Meanwhile, look what's happening here. वैसे I hope this is just वेलापंती, हाँ? So let's see our next request. It is हर एक friend dedicated by Milan to Cruz Parmar. Looks like finally guys have woken up. And उनका message is, smart तुम हो तो बुरे हम भी नहीं, महफिल में तुम हो तो तन्हा हम भी नहीं, दोस्ती करके कहते हो कि बिजी है, याद करना हमसे सीखो क्योंकि फ्री तो हम भी नहीं. फ्रॉम कमीना नंबर 1. ये देखिए मिलान की ऑनेस्टी. खुद ही को वो कमीना नंबर 1 होने का क्लेम कर रहे हैं. नाउ दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप. वैसे इन तीनों की पागलपंती ना काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है. But what is more interesting is my next tweet, which is the secret to Neha Dhupia's diet. Look what she tweets. She tweets saying lunch. Oh God, I'm sure वो सिर्फ ना उनकी पूरी मील का एक पार्ट होगा. The main course is yet to come. But what is yet to come is my surprise for you guys. So don't go anywhere क्योंकि मैं ब्रेक के बाद वापस आऊंगी आपके सरप्राइज के साथ. Stay connected with me on my Twitter handle @gozoomit. Hello again guys, your social jockey Nikita is back only on Zoom It. वक्त है हमारी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देखने का. So let's see what my Mitashi says. It is है जुनून dedicated by Surya Smita to all her friends. And उनका message is, guys don't take stress on exams. अगर है जुनून तो एग्जाम क्या, एग्जाम की पूरी फैमिली को हम पास कर लेंगे. So don't worry, just chill. All the best, guys. Don't think we can do our best. Think that we will do our best. That is some good positive attitude. वैसे अगर एग्जाम अगर आप पॉजिटिविटी के साथ ही दोगे ना, तो you are gonna have a tough time. For now, let me also wish all you guys over there all the best. अगर आप लोगों के एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं, and इस गाने की तरह जुनून रखना, then there's nothing that's gonna stop you. After Hai Junoon, it's time for the next song, which is Sayyara, requested by Nawaz to Salman Khan. And unka message is, Salman, we love you not only for being an actor, we also love you for having a golden heart and helping the poor. वैसे just for your information, Salman is more into helping the old age people than the poor. But that is also a noble cause, जिसके लिए हम सभी सलमान से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. तो ये गाना स्पेशली आपके और आपके गोल्डन हार्ट के लिए फ्रॉम योर मूवी. एंड गाइज इट्स स्वीट ट्वीट टाइम. तो चलिए देती हूँ मैं आपको एक ट्विटर अपडेट. रिसेंटली अक्षय कुमार हैज ट्वीटेड अ पिक्चर ऑफ हिज सेइंग टुडेज स्पेशल आइटम एट डब्बू द फोटोग्राफर्स कैफे. माय क्वेश्चन इज, अगर फोटोग्राफर पिक्चर के अंदर है तो ये पिक्चर खींची किसने? Isn't that a good question? सोचिए सोचिए, तब तक जरा मैं अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट ले लेती हूँ, which is Sajna, requested by Praveen Kachi for Shreya. And उनका message is, I am selfish, impatient and a little insecure. I make mistakes. I am out of control and at times hard to handle. But if you can't handle me at my worst, then you sure as hell don't deserve me at my best. क्या message है? But I'm going to read the last line once again. If you can't handle me at my worst, then you sure as hell don't deserve me at my best. Oh my God, इतना गुस्सा आपके इस मैसेज को पढ़ के मुझे डर लग गया. तो what is going to happen to poor Shreya? थोड़ा इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करो, पोलाइटली बोलो, and try being at your best. So guys, let's take our next. उससे पहले एक छोटा सा ब्रेक तो बनता है, पर आप लोग कहीं मत जाइएगा क्योंकि ब्रेक के बाद आपका सरप्राइज अभी भी बाकी है. So keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt and I'll be right back.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. आप देख रहे हैं Zoom It and this is your social jockey Nikita. वैसे ब्रेक पे जाने से पहले आप लोग ने काफी गेसेस ऑलरेडी कर लिए हैं कि what your surprise is. So finally, let me tell you what I have for you. I have 3G. 4 नहीं, 3G के स्टार्स नील, नितिन, मुकेश एंड सोनल चौहान, जो इस समय हमारा इस शो का हॉट पोर्शन काफी बढ़ा रहे हैं. Guys, welcome to the show. This is Zoom It. पहली बात तो I really want to ask you guys, this title of the movie 3G इतना interesting है. Like, what is the story behind the title?
3G technology plays a very important part in the film, but at the same time, we've been clarifying this since a long time, that the film is not only about 3G technology or gadgets. 3G technology plays an important part. The film is about fear, and 3G technology is the medium.
So also this character Sam, how related is it to you? Because I've
Not
heard
at
even
all.
you are very fond of gadgets.
I know, as far as gadgets are concerned, yes. Trust me, I've given Sam my own of being a gadget freak. Because I am a complete gizmo gadget freak.
Is it?
I love it.
Well, अभी हम जरा अपनी अगली request देखते हैं. Why not, Neil, you read out our next request?
Sure, of course. Okay. So the next request is from Isha Datta to Deep Chakrabarti, and the song is Teri Aur. Her message is very sweet and very lovely actually. That life's everyday trails can be so unfair, but I'll get through each one, cause I know you are there. I love you so much, baby. I mean, that's from Isha Datta to Deep Chakrabarti. She loves you a lot. Enjoy the song, Teri Aur.
So, इस सॉन्ग से मुझे आप लोग के बारे में जरा पूछना है. This movie, more than horror, इसमें काफी romance भी दिख रहा है. आप लोग की chemistry looks amazing.
I think that's the interesting thing about 3G as a film, that it's got a beautiful blend of a very interestingly woven love story with horror as its key, driver of the film.
Anyway, I'm going to take it as a romantic movie more than a horror movie.
Okay then.
Whatever
whatever
you should go and watch the movie.
So guys, even you don't miss this movie out. लेकिन अभी के लिए enjoy this song. Oh, you guys are back.
So then you don't will waste any
वैसे
energy.
Sonal, you were just telling me about your favorite song in the movie. क्या है आपका फेवरेट सॉन्ग?
Well, favorite songs तो सारे हैं. I like all of them. It's like कैसे बताऊँ is a song which you know, I think every person when they're falling in love, they feel that, like they say that when a person is falling in love, you can tell by looking at them, the glow that they have on their face and the smile and you know all of that.
True?
Yeah.
Nice.
You're always glowing.
That's what I'm wondering.
So basically he's always in love.
Always in love. See, that's the best way to be.
कहाँ है वो keep it करूँगा.
But coming back to कैसे बताओ, सोनल हमें ये सुनाई पड़ा है कि आपने वो गाना गाया है. So how about you know, 1 or 2 lines from the song?
Nice, very cool.
I have to get the words
Very
right.
nice. You sang nothing.
That's how good I am.
You're so good.
But ये गाना सुनकर I'm sure आप लोग को at least एक इसकी झलक तो देखनी चाहिए. So check out the song. So guys, it's sweet tweet time. चलिए देखते हैं हमारा next Twitter update, which is Sonam Kapoor has tweeted saying GJEPC press conference. वैसे ट्विटर से मुझे पूछना चाहिए, नील and Sonal, both of you, how active are you on Twitter?
I'm very active on Twitter.
Like, and how do you think social media plays a major role?
I think it's very interesting, and especially
Yeah.
Twitter, you know, because so often we are written about and misquoted. So it's best that, you know, it's a medium where we can go and directly, you know, clarify things. A. Secondly, I think it's brilliant because I personally like interacting with fans a lot. Best critics are the audience,
that's
you know,
true, yeah.
and are the fans. So, like, whenever a film releases, they tell me what they like, what they don't.
That's right. Anyway, with this, it's a wrap. लेकिन उससे पहले जरा हम अपना best message देख लें. So I'm going to ask Sonal to read our best message for the day.
Of course. Okay, so this message is from Milan to Cruz Parmar. And the message is very interesting. It says, स्मार्ट तुम हो तो बुरे हम भी नहीं, महफिल में तुम हो तो तन्हा हम भी नहीं, दोस्ती करके कहते हो कि बिजी हैं, याद करना हमसे सीखो क्योंकि फ्री तो हम भी नहीं. And it says from Kamina number 1. Wow. Well, Kamina number 1, you're quite innovative. बहुत ही अच्छी शायरी लिखी है आपने.
Very nice.
So guys, with that, best messages भी हो गया, and आप लोग की इतनी सारी requests हो गई, Twitter updates हो गए, and how can we forget the surprise which I had for you guys is also done. इसके साथ I have to wrap it up here. But don't be disappointed because I'm going to see you same time, same place next week. Till then, आप लोग को पता ही है क्या करना है. Go to apps.facebook.com/kozumit and अपने गाने request करते रहिए. उनसे बातें करते रहिए on my Twitter handle @kozumit. Till then, don't just like it. Y'all are going to say this with me. Go zoom it.
Go zoom it.
Zoom it.
Go zoom it.